Hello viewers, welcome to Learn Kannada International YouTube channel. Viewers, I am Vidyashree from Karnataka. I am presenting this video for you to write Kannada and pronounce Kannada, helping you to learn Kannada reading and writing through our Learn Kannada International YouTube channel. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Hello viewers, today we learn how to write third Kannada alphabet. Okay, E, small e. Okay, E, small e. How to write? E. Sometimes we write E. E for Ili. Ili. Ili means rat. E for Illi. Illi. Illi means here. E for Idli. This is a South Indian food, idli. You know na? Idli sambar. E for Ivattu. Ivattu means today. Present tense.